Good, Kenan. Thank you. Now, guys, today we'll take a new lesson, lesson 2, order of operations. Order of operations. Now, what's the meaning of order of operations? First, we need to know what are the operations. The operations plus, minus, multiply, divide. These are the 4 main operations in mathematics. So, order of operation means if we have more than one operation in the same question, what we will do? The first. For example, if we have this 2 plus 3 multiply 4, 2 plus 3 multiply 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. We have addition and multiplication. Now we have 2 ways to solve. Look here, guys, and I will solve this question in 2 ways. First way, I will say 2 plus 3, 5. 5 multiply 4, 20. Again, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 multiply 4, 20. Okay? Or I will say 3 multiply 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So I have this expression, and I did it in 2 ways. First, I add, then multiply. I have a 20. Second way, I multiply, then add. I have 14. Now, one of the 2 solutions is correct, and the other is incorrect. This answer here is wrong. غلط هذا. This one is the correct one. Why? Because in order of operations, we cannot add before multiply. First, we multiply, then we add. So sometimes we get mistake, guys, in our calculations. What we do the first. Today, we will know the order of operations, the correct order. What we will do the first. What we will do the first. Now, let's know now, I will write for you the correct order of operations. Okay, guys? Now, first, look here, guys, and be careful with me. Yalla. Now, the correct order. Focus, guys, please. The first thing you need to do the brackets or parentheses. If you have a brackets, you will do it the first thing, brackets. After you are done with the brackets, second thing, do exponents. The powers. We know the power and the exponent. We did it before. So the first thing, guys, we do the bracket. Second step, the exponent. Third step, which is important one, do multiply or divide from left to right. Do multiply and divide, sorry, and. So the first step, we do the brackets. Second step, we do the exponents. Third step, we do multiply and divide from left to right. Fourth step, the last step, always do addition and subtraction from left, sorry, to right. Now, these are, and I want you to memorize them very well. And in order, the first thing, we do the brackets. Second step, we do the exponent. Third step, multiply and divide. Fourth step, add and subtract. The add and subtract at the end always. Don't do add and subtract before multiply and divide. No. Do always this order, always, guys. Okay? So you need to memorize the order, and you can write it in your book. And if you don't have time to write, you can watch the video again, okay? Now, let's take example about how we apply this order. Example. Evaluate. The word evaluate means to calculate and find the answer. For example, I'll take example. I will take example 12 multiply 4 plus 10 multiply 8. 12 multiply 4 plus 10 multiply 8. Now I will ask myself, I will start from the first step. Do we have brackets? No, we don't have brackets. Do we have exponents here? No, we don't have exponents. So the first step and the second step, you skip them. Done. The third one, do we have multiply and divide? Yes, I have multiply. So do multiply and divide. Do we have divide here? No, I have only multiply. So the first thing, I'll do the multiplication. So let's do the multiplication from left to right. This will do the first and this is the second. So first we multiply 12 multiply 4, it is 48. Plus 10 multiply 8, it is 80. Now the last thing, I will do the addition. 48 plus 80, it is 128. 128. Let's take another example. Example. Focus, guys. Evaluate 2 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 3 multiply 2 plus 2 to the power 5. Look here, guys, and focus, please. Focus. Now this is equal. Now I will go to my order always here. Do the brackets. Do we have a brackets? Yes, I have a bracket here. So I will do this thing, the first thing, and all other things will come the same. So what I will do, guys, the brackets, the first step, I will do the bracket. So everything will comes down and I will do the bracket only in the first step. So 2 plus 8 divided by 4 plus, I will do the bracket. 3 multiply 2 is 6 plus 2 to the power 5. What I did here, guys, first I did only the bracket, only the first step. No. Do we have brackets here? No. Now what's the second step? Do what? Exponents. Do we have exponents? Yes, this is the exponent. So I will do my exponent and all other things will comes down the same. So this is equal 2 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 6 plus 2 to the power 5. If you remember, we multiply the 2 by itself 5 times. Remember? 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. You do it outside and put the answer here. It is 32. Now, what's the first step? I did the bracket. The second step, I did the exponent. So I'm done with the first one and the second one. Now I'll go to 3. Do multiply and divide from left to right. So, do we have multiply? No. Do we have divide? Yes, I have divide here. 8 divided by 4, right? So I will do 8 divided by 4 only, and the other things will comes down. So this is equal 2 plus 8 divided by 4, 2 plus 6 plus 32. So what I did until now, guys, I did the brackets. Then I did the exponents. Then I did the divide. Then I will do the addition here. The last step, we'll do the addition. Let's add. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 32, 42. So always, guys, we follow this operation, always. First brackets, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract. This is the idea of the lesson. Now let's go and do some exercises from your book, and I will answer your questions during the exercises. I will start with page 489, guys. 489, go there, please. Question 2. 489. Question 2. يلا. غسان.
Yes, Mr.
يلا يا غسان, read the question quickly.
Evaluate each expression.
Good. Evaluate means to calculate and find the answer. يلا. What's the question, you Mr. Tell?
5 multiply 92 minus 18 in brackets.
92 minus
18.
18 inside the brackets. أيوة.
Yeah, only this.
Yes, good. Good. يلا. What is the order, yeah, Mr.? What's the first thing we need to do?
We do the brackets.
Good. Do we have a brackets here?
Yes.
So we will do the bracket first. Yalla, this is equal.
Yeah.
5 multiply comes down the same. Now 92 minus 18, how much? Let's do it. 92 minus 18, right?
Yeah.
2 minus 8, it cannot. This will be 8, this is 12, this is 4, this is 7. 74. Do you understand? Hello? Hello? وين رحت يا ابني؟
47.
74.
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, so in the place of the bracket,
74,
I'll put
yes.
74, right? Now we are done with the bracket, okay?
Yes.
What's the second thing? The second step, yeah, mister. What's the second step?
Do exponent or power.
Do we have exponents? Do we have exponent, yeah?
We don't.
We don't. So we skip it.
We don't have.
We skip it. Step 3, what we will do?
Do multiply and divide from left to right.
Yalla. Do we have multiply and divide?
Yes, we have multiply.
Let's multiply. 5 multiply 74. How we do it? We make 5 and 74 and multiply, right? Yeah,
yes.
20, 35, 37. So the answer 370. Got it?
Yes.
Are we done? Do we have add and minus here at the end? No. So we are done.
No, we're done.
Good. Copy, guys, the question. This is question 2. Let's go to question 3 now together. محمد دعاس.
Yeah, Mr.
يلا محمد. Question 3 quickly.
12 plus bracket 4 exponent power of 2 minus 11. Another bracket and the bracket after the 4 power of 2.
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First, we will
What's the first step, yeah, mister?
Do the brackets.
Yalla, do we have brackets?
Yeah, 4 multiply. We will make 4.
We will do the bracket
16.
and the other things
will go down.
Will comes down. So here 12 plus and here minus 11, and we'll do only the bracket. What's inside the bracket? We have 4 to the power of 2. How much 4 to the power of 2, ya Muhammad?
16.
16. Mumtaz. 4 to the power of 2 means 4 multiply 4. Now we are done with the brackets. What's the second step?
Do the exponent's power. We don't have.
Do we have exponent now? We did it from the bracket already. Right. What's the third step?
Do multiply and divide from the left to right.
Do we have multiply and divide?
No.
No. So the last step,
Do plus and minus from left to right.
yalla, from left to right. Do we have a plus?
Yeah, 12
Yalla.
plus 16.
How
Yes.
much?
10, 28.
Minus 11.
Minus
The
11.
last thing, which is 17, right?
Yeah.
Do you understand it?
Yeah, I understand.
Good boy. Thank
I
you.
understand.
This is question 3, guys. Copy it, please. Copy the question. Copy the steps. Don't copy only the last answer. No. Copy the steps, please. Question 4. Ahmed Hamdi.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla ya Ahmed. Question 4 quickly.
Okay. 15 minus 5.
15 minus 5. Aywa.
Multiply.
Multiply.
9 multiply 3.
9 multiply 3.
Plus 3.
3 and close the bracket, right?
Yeah.
Now here we have a lot of brackets. صح يا Ahmed?
And Mister, what is it? The brackets.
This one we call it a bracket. This one we call it parenthesis, but it's okay.
Okay.
Now, tell me, Ahmed, do we have brackets or parentheses? Yes, we have a lot.
Yeah.
صح? We have this one first, then this one. So we will do this one, then the big one from left to right. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do the first one here. 15 minus 5, how much?
10.
10. Multiply the other one, right?
Yeah.
Are we done with the first step or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. We still have brackets. So let's do this one. Inside the bracket, the big one, we have bracket and addition. What we will do the first?
We will multiply first.
Yeah. So this equal 10 multiply 9 multiply 3, 27, right? Plus
30.
Look here, the big brackets comes down because I didn't finish it yet, right?
Right.
Now, what I will do, tell me.
We will complete the brackets.
Yeah, 10 multiply 27 plus 3, how much?
30.
And we multiply the last step. 10 multiply 30 is?
300.
Mumtaz. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Copy, guys. This is question 4. Copy it, please. Question 5. Question 5. Muhammad Salim.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, read the question 5, Muhammad.
58 minus 7 multiply 6.
58 minus 7 multiply
6 multiply 7.
6 multiply 7.
7.
Do you understand the lesson, ya Muhammad?
So easy the lesson.
طيب يلا. What will do the first? What's the first step?
First step, we should to see if we have parentheses.
Do we have parentheses here?
No.
No. Second step.
If we have exponents.
Do we have exponents?
No.
Third step.
Third step, if we have multiply or divide.
Do we have multiply or divide?
Yeah, we have multiply. It is
So we will do it. Yeah.
7 multiply 6 by 42.
It is 42. And the 58 and the minus comes down, right?
Yeah.
The last step,
It will be 58 minus 42.
how much?
58 minus
16.
2 equals 16.
Good. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Good boy. Question 6. Copy, guys. This is question 5. Jalal.
Yes, Mr.
Read.
55 minus parentheses, parentheses again, 5 to the power 2 multiply 3, parentheses, close the parentheses, minus 5 to the power 2, close the parentheses.
Like this, right?
Yes, yes.
Yalla, step by step, ya Jalal. Now, what's
We
the
have-
first step?
We have parentheses
And the brackets, right?
and the brackets. Yes,
So-
we have the two.
Do I have anything with the 55 in the first step?
No.
So it comes down.
Okay.
Minus. Now here we have parentheses, subtraction, and exponent. What I will do the first?
Go to the parentheses.
Parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I have multiply and exponent. What I will do the first?
Exponent.
The exponent, then the multiply, right?
Correct.
So the first step I will do is the exponent, okay?
Yes.
And all other things will comes down the same. خلاص?
I know.
Yeah. So bracket, parentheses, 5 to the power 2. How
Equals
much?
10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
5 to the power 2 equal 10? No, this is wrong, Gibney.
5 to the power-
5 power 2 means 5 times 5, which is a 25, okay?
25, no, 25.
Multiply 3 minus 5 to the power 2. So what I did here, the first one only, صح?
Yes.
طيب. Now, what I will do, tell me, what's the next step?
We have multiplication or divide. Yes.
No, we are not done with the powers and the exponent yet.
No. Go. We have powers again. Or we finish. We
Power
have
2, but before it, we have this brackets, Yabni, this parenthesis still. We need to finish with this. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. 55 minus 25 multiply 3, how much?
3.5 equals 15.
You do it, it will
75.
be 70 minus 5 to the power 2, right?
Yes.
Now, still we have the brackets, but inside the bracket, I have subtraction and power. What I will do the first?
Power, because the
Yeah.
power is first.
55 minus 75 minus 5 to the power 2, how much?
25.
25. Did I finish the bracket or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet, I need to finish it. So this is equal 55 minus 75 minus 25, how much?
50.
50. Now the last step is this
Minus.
subtraction. 55 minus 50, how much?
5.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Look here, guys. 55 minus still comes down because the subtraction is the last step. The subtraction is the last step. I get rid of the brackets, the parentheses, the power, simplify, then I'll do the subtraction. Okay?
Thanks, Mr. Mute myself.
Just mute and copy. Yalla. This is a question 6, guys. We will go to question 7 now. 7 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply 30. 7 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply 30. عمر سامر.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا عمر. Do we have parentheses?
No.
Do we have exponents?
No.
Do we have multiply or divide?
Yes, we have multiply.
Yeah, I will multiply this one, then this one. Yeah.
Okay. Equal 70.
Plus
7 multiply 10 equals 70, and 3 multiply 30 equal 90.
good. Now we add them. 70 plus 90, how much?
70 plus 90 equal 160.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, guys, we are done here. Hope you understand that. Now, still, guys, some questions down here in the practice page. Try to finish it. Questions 8, 9, 10, and 11. And do the homework. And if you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow, inshallah. Any questions, guys, before I go? If you don't have any questions, remove your hands, please. If you don't have questions, remove your hands, please. Quickly. Quaider, Omar, Kinan.
Mr. In the homework page 491, question 1. It is like the question 1 in the guide the practice. We solve it.
Mr. Where? I don't know where I'm talking. 491?
Yeah, in page 491.
Yes. Question 1. No, it's not related to the homework. It is similar. You need to fill the blanks here, okay?
Okay.
Depending on the, don't forget that.
Okay, it is the rule.
Okay. Okay, Kinan, thank you. Stop recording.